Now we are going to start with some advanced assemblies in which we will understand about ball joint first. So let's make this assembly to understand this. This is like a joystick. If you have used or played games in your PC, you must have seen this kind of movement there. And even in your consoles of PS4 and PS5, this kind of movement can be noticed. So let's make this assembly. So we will begin with a new component. It can have any name, there is no issue with that. And just create a sphere on this particular horizontal plane. Just involve the origin and let's make it like 60 mm and click on OK. Now create a sketch on, let's say, this plane, a 2-point rectangle, and then just press pull this one symmetrically and the operation would be cut. Now invoke the shell command from the modify toolbar. Select this particular surface and let's provide shell of any thickness. Let it be 1 only. It can be different in your case. And now our first component is ready. Let's activate the head assembly and create another component. This time also let's create a sphere on the horizontal plane and select this origin. The larger sphere was 60 mm, so let's make it bit less than that. Let's make it like 57 mm and click on OK. Again, this dimension can be different in your case. Now create a sketch on the horizontal plane and let's create a circle from the origin. Finish the sketch. Let's hide first component and let's hide the body of this one, the second component. Now select this particular profile, sketch profile that we have created. Show the body of component 2 and show the body of component 1. Right click, press pull, let it be outwards and let's make the operation as join. Click on OK. Let's create a sphere on this particular surface. Let it be 15 mm and operation should be join. Click on OK. Now let's provide fillets on this and this face. Perfect. Now activate the head assembly and both of our components are ready. Now what we will do, let's capture the position first. Now what we will do, we will ground this one. This is sphere in which we have created a shell. So this is acting as an outer sphere. And let's ground this one. And then go to joint. In the motion, select ball joint. And for position, you have to just select the surface of the sphere. Anywhere you can click. And for the second component, for this one, you can click anywhere in the sphere. But you must not click on this particular surface. Otherwise, the joint will be created here. Now just click it and press OK. Now you can see the movement that we desire has been achieved, but there is overlapping between the components. So for this, we all know what we can use. We have been using it for some time now, that is contact sets. Just enable contact sets, right click here, create a new contact set between these two components and press OK. Now you will see that it will not overlap, the components will not overlap and our ball joint is complete.